the rain. I remember you on days like these, and how you love the rain. So often you sat quiet, though you smiled just the same. I understood your reasons, that you kept your thoughts on hold, for this life that you'd been living would shortly be on hold. So many times we'd share a smile, a hug as times were dear, as I knew that there would come a day I'd face that final fear. So I remember you on days like these, and how you love the rain. I know that you're smiling, but no longer feel the pain.